Hi, my name is Caesar. I work for the #1 rated POS company in the world. This company is called Lavu. One of the most important things that Lavu can do for you is that we provide an unlimited service. This service is only $100 a month. Most businesses that process around $100,000 a month spend around $800 to $900 plus in their monthly processing. That means that at the end of the year, that business owner loses around $10,000 a year, which is money that they could use to reinvest, to upgrade their business, to pay their employees more money, and allow them the freedom to do with what they please with their money. One of the premium benefits that comes with dealing with Lavu is that we provide a mobile card reader that is a iPad mini that you can actually take around the restaurant, take around the tire shop or the nail salon, and you can actually have access to the full system and check customers out immediately. I'll give you a brief demonstration of what that looks like. So the customer, they can start off by just tapping. The customer can also insert, and the customer can also swipe. Now, anyone that has this device can carry it around and it syncs automatically to the big terminal. Now, the big terminal looks like this, which is a complete full iPad with cash register and receipt printer. And it's a little bit bigger, so this is normally the one we keep at the stations, but it has the full software, the full POS system that allows you to take transactions and do absolutely everything you could do on the main one on this one. Now, what I want to do is I want to show everyone the simple fact that when you sign with Lavu, we provide a full team, a team that is dedicated just specifically for you. When you call them, they can help you upgrade menu items. They can help you add employee logins. They can even help you categorize and see what your best sales are. What are some things you're not selling? This is a premium service that comes when you sign up with Lavu. Specifically, when you sign up with me as your agent, I actually come out to the location, I do a site survey, and I test the internet connection, and then we ship the equipment directly from Apple to your doorstep. As soon as that happens, I come in and I train the entire staff and the management on how to properly use the equipment. And I don't just stay for a few days, I don't just stay for a few hours. I actually can stay up to several weeks just to make sure every single person on that staff knows exactly what they're doing and they have the freedom to understand that they got the lingo, they've got the knowledge, and they feel comfortable moving forward with the system and interacting with customers and checking people out. Now, one of the best things I like about this service is that no one can provide the reliability that comes with Lavu, and no one could provide the stability and the excellency that comes with dealing with Apple. So I hope that any business owner that's eager to save around $10,000 a year would click that link below, book a free call with me, and I can go over your monthly statement. Like the business owner here with this bar, they currently were with the company Spot On, and they were very upset about being overcharged every month. Clearly, after the meeting with me, we went over their monthly statement and we showed them how much they could save by switching. Upon that, now they've realized the savings have been through the roof. Now, I want to extend that offer to all business owners. As a thank you for watching the video completely to the end, any business owner before the end of the month that signs up can have access to this unlimited service for only $59.99 a month. Now, this service is a limited time offer and it's only available for the month of January. However, the ultimate savings comes from when you sign up this month, we will give you one free terminal. That means you have the option to have one free iPad mini terminal, or you can have the option to have the big boy iPad directly for your business, and it comes with the cash register, it comes with the Epson printer, and these will be shipped to you in less than a week. You could be up and running in your business in about a week's time, maybe even less than that, depending on how quick we can book the call. So I thank you everybody for tuning in. I hope that everyone has a wonderful and blessed day start to the year, and I look forward to the call. Thank you and have a wonderful day.